What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light, brake light, or turn signal light on your Dodge Caravan and Dodge Grand Caravan. I believe this will apply from the years 2000 to 07. I'll have to double check. I'll put it in the video description. It might be 01 to 07. But so what we're going to do is open up the rear liftgate hatch, and you'll see two black clips. I'm going to take a pair of pliers. Just grab onto it and pull. You'll see this piece comes out. We're gonna do the same for the bottom one. There we go. The whole clip came with it this time. So to get this out, we can use a flathead screwdriver to get behind it and pry it out. And then just grab the light and pull straight back. There's a little hole there that this tab catches on. All right, so whether it's the reverse light, the blinker, or the tail light, they're all actually the same bulb, a 3057. And to access all three of them, you're just gonna pinch together the front and back tabs and pull out. The whole socket will come with it. And you can just pull the old light socket out. So here's the old bulb. You can see it's a little burned up, and upon closer inspection you can see the filament is broken, which is why the light is not working. As I said before, all three of them use a 3057 style bulb. I'll post a link in the video description where you can get these. Otherwise you can get them locally at your auto parts store. All right, now so we're going to try to not touch the glass with our fingers, because the oil from your skin can cause hot spots in the glass when it heats up, and it can either explode or burn out prematurely. So I'm going to use just my sleeve here. It doesn't matter which way, or it shouldn't matter which way this goes anyways. Just going to go ahead and push it in until you hear it click, like that. And then we can go ahead and push this back in, making sure you hear both tabs click. And it should not matter which direction it goes. And then we're going to line up this tab here with the slot in the van. And then come back over here and push our clips back into place. And then if your clips became separated, make sure to push them back in. They're a little tight. You might want to use something like a screwdriver or pliers to kind of push it in. And that's it. Now they don't go perfectly flush. You can see there's a little bit of a gap right here. That's as far as they go in. And you're done. Make sure the light works, and you should be all set. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit the like button. For more videos like this, hit subscribe. Make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.